Hey everyone, Anthony from DataCrunch here with another computer tip of the day. Sorry about the weather, by the way. Hopefully you can all hear me. It's kind of really bad outside. It's raining. It's pouring, actually. Alright, so today's topic is going to be about a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network. Now, I'm sure a lot of you haven't heard about what a VPN is or what it can do for you, unless you're already in the tech industry or you're a little tech savvy. Now, a VPN, what it does is it creates an anonymous tunnel between you and the point that you're connecting to. So let's say that you want to connect to you want to do some banking information, but you're a little concerned about maybe the connection you're on, if you're on if you're on a public Wi-Fi, or you just don't want anyone else to see what your bank information is if they happen to be hacking into your computer or intercepting your Wi-Fi traffic. You download a VPN. I like PureVPN. It's a very good program. I use it. It cost me $20, I think, for a 3-year license. And it hides all of your traffic. So if anyone's trying to peek into what you're doing, they won't be able to see. It creates, like I said, an anonymous tunnel between you and where you're connecting to. So also, if you're trying to watch, let's say, something that is it's like geographically restricted to only Europe or only Asia, you can actually watch it with a VPN if you do it correctly. Another good thing about the VPN is not only is it an anonymous tunnel, it's an encrypted tunnel. So even if someone was to try to get into to try to intercept the connection between you and the website you're going to, they wouldn't be able to unless they're able to have that encryption key. So VPNs are great at protecting your browsing history. Even if you're not on public Wi-Fi, if you're just at home and you're concerned about what your ISP, which is Internet Service Provider, is seeing you're doing, like if you're watching a lot of movies and they're complaining about some of the websites you're going on, or if you got a letter from your ISP that you shouldn't be doing such and such, you can use a VPN and it'll actually block all that traffic monitoring. All right, everyone. Well, that's another computer tip of the day. Stay tuned and follow for more computer tips. Have a good one.